Morning, dear students. Let us do today exercise 1 and exercise 3 of chapter 7 tenses. These exercises are based on simple present tense and present continuous tense. Before doing these exercises, we should know structure of sentences in simple present and present continuous. First of all, simple present. In simple present, subject plus first form of verb. For example, I play, you play, he, she, it plays. With singular subject, we use verb plus s or es. Then we play, you play, they play. It means with singular subject, verb plus s or es, and with I, you and plural subject, we don't use s in verbs. Now exercise 1. The sun dash in the west. Here rises because sun is singular. We use verb plus s or es. Number 2. Birds dash nest. Birds plural. We have used first form of verb build. Number 3. Rain falls from the clouds. Number 4. Cows eat grass. Cows plural. Number 5. Frogs live both on land and in water. Number 6. The earth revolves round the sun. Earth is singular, that's why we have used revolves. Now structure of sentences in present continuous tense. First of all, subject plus is or am or are plus ing form of verb. I am playing, you are playing, he, she, it is playing, we are playing, like this. But some verbs normally cannot be used in continuous tense. These verbs are like love, hate, dislike, understand, want, believe, etc. You can see here examples. The boy is wanting chocolates. Here want cannot be used in continuous tense. This sentence is wrong. The right sentence is the boy wants chocolates. Again, he is having a cell phone. This sentence is wrong. It should be he has a cell phone. Having is wrong with when you something possess. Number 3, she is seeming sad. Wrong. The right one is she seems sad. Now exercise 3. Fill in the blanks with verbs in the simple present tense or present continuous tense. Number 1. He dash for a walk every morning. It should be goes because for habits we use simple present tense. Number 2. The sun shines during the day. Again simple present tense. Number 3. Oh lovely, the sun is shining again. We use present continuous tense when actions which are happening now. Number 4. I want a glass of water. I told you want cannot be used in continuous tense. We cannot say I am wanting a glass of water. Number 5. Where is Usha? She is washing her hair. Here the work of washing hair is going on. That's why present continuous. Number 6. According to the timetable, the train arrives at 12:15. Number 7. I am meeting my uncle tomorrow. Present continuous tense can be used for people's plans or arrangements for the future. When we are talking about future. That's why I am meeting my uncle tomorrow. We can use present continuous tense. Number 8. Ashok has 2 sisters. With singular we use has, and with plural and I and you we use have. This is all about it. Tomorrow we will do present perfect and present perfect continuous. Thank you.